Get ready for a hot, humid day. Now, the record for today is 90. Now, it's been standing for a long time, since 1944. It's probably going to fall the way it looks right now. Looks like we're going well into the 90s today, for even by the lake. Here's Appleton already at 63, and that dew point starting to creep up too. So it's going to be hot and humid. You notice the radar right now is completely quiet here, for at least right now. That most likely is going to change heading through the nighttime. Here's high-res future radar. Pretty quiet for most of the day. Real slim threat of a late afternoon thunderstorm. Though as the night progresses here, there are still a couple of question marks where the strongest of these storms are going to start to develop and move on through. Though this right here, as we head through around mid-evening to late evening, if this turns into what's known as a bow echo or bowed segment, that would indicate wind. Though if these storms to the south steal some of that energy, that means the stronger storms would be farther south. Now, that main timeline is going to be like mid to late evening, and probably by around 2 o'clock, most of that is going to be out of here overnight. Now, the Storm Prediction Center, those who are along and just south of Highway 29, what's known as the enhanced risk of severe weather. Now, this outlook could change. They're going to update that a couple times this morning. Though right now, if you're under that enhanced risk south of 29, several reports of wind damage going to be possible, or some hail reports as well. It all depends on where this is going to set up and the strongest storms would be. Though today, it's going way above that average high of 71 degrees, way above it. Probably setting a record high today. Look at yesterday. We go from a little bit below average, and then we're bringing in the 90s all within 24 hours. All right, as far as current temps, we've got 70 already in Manitowoc, 71 Sheboygan, and it's 68 in Fond du Lac. It's warm and it's getting muggy, as well as those dew points go well into the 60s, maybe close to 70. Those are some uncomfortable humidities. Well, if you love summer, this is your kind of weather. Now, this is a different computer model, and watch tonight. Notice how it takes a lot of that activity and keeps it a little bit farther south. So still a couple question marks on the setup, but the main window for those bigger thunderstorms going to be tonight. 92 degrees today. It's going to be hot and humid. For tonight, showers and thunderstorms developing, rolling their way on through. We'll have to see where the strongest ones are. And tomorrow, less humid, still kind of warm. We'll keep the 80s into Friday, and then by the weekend, Brooke, just in time, whether you like it or not, back into the comfortable 70s.